Hi, Juno. Hi, buddy. This is Juno. He's a Great Pyrenees.
Yeah, Juno's good at opening doors.
Yeah, Juno's a smarty. Boulder's over there. The lazy. Boulder. Boulder. Boulder, boulder. Unbothered. Nice. Here we go. She says,
Do you want to come see the spinning wall?
I would love to. Hi, boys. Oops.
Yeah.
There's one in there.
Yeah. What? Oh, yes. No touching the leash. It's all ready?
Yes. Idea was to keep all covered so it doesn't get rain on it.
Yeah, that's true.
Now I can just take it here and go straight into the
I'm coming.
Is your ghost down there?
No, no ghosts.
Look at why. Mama, this is acorn.
Yeah.
These acorns. This is one that's slimy.
Yeah. Keep them in your pocket. Tree. Red oak.
She put paint on it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Here we go.
Mama,
Yeah.
do you know what these things are?
Oh, just little fungi. Keep going.
They feel
Yep, we're gonna go straight down.
Those like acorns, but not dog food.
Oh, your cat?
All right, hi. I just got inside. I just got myself ready, looking a little bit like a lion right now. That's okay. But I wanted to just like fill you in on what happened. So we're obviously home. Nothing like crazy happened, but yeah, we got on the flight. We've been home for about a week. We did our local hometown fair, and I basically just like didn't have my phone with me the whole time because my local fair, you just see everyone you know. So that is what I was doing the last week, just visiting with family. And now some of my relatives have gone on trips, and it's just like me and my mom and of course the rest of my family, but it's just been really nice to kind of relax. But I wanted to go back to the day that we traveled. So the first thing, like we got through security, but Wilder leaving my husband Lee was just like really emotional for him. So we had to go through that, and it was super sad. So that took like 20 minutes at the security gate to get him back into a good, you know, I don't know, 4-year-old headspace. But other than that, like getting onto the flight was just fine. But my stepdad who traveled with us told me to check my seat. So I looked at it, and my seat had been moved to the row in front of the kids' row, and it just would have been those two in the front. And I went up to the countertop. Why was it moved? I guess so we flew with Frontier, and I guess that's typical. I guess they do that. So that kind of sucked. But other than that, you know, I talked to them. I said, they're 3 and 4 years old. I cannot be separated from them. This is unacceptable. And I wasn't trying to be a princess, but that's why I booked seats together. So I was able to go back there, and then they moved my stepdad in front of us. So we luckily had the first row to ourselves, and the kids did great on the plane until they got together, which my kids fight. I know some people say their kids don't fight. That's great for you. Mine do. And it just didn't work out when they were together. But Millie slept the whole time. Her ears were definitely popping. So whenever I tried to feed her, I had a very attentive flight attendant keep telling me that she needs to sit forward. So that was a little tricky to maneuver that. But other than that, we were good. It was very turbulent. We had turbulence, so that would be turbulent. Yeah. So other than that, like the kids kind of got freaked out by that. I got freaked out by that. You know, it's just something that we don't deal with. So it was very new to them. So it surprised them. We've been trying to replace the word scared for surprise. So if you hear me saying that often and stumbling on my words, that's what's going on there. But other than that, yeah, we landed in Philadelphia. It was raining. Wilder even asked what it was on the windshield. Like, that's how much we don't see rain in Colorado. So we get to the airport, and we're pretty far from the airport, so it was quite the drive. And Amelia cried the whole time. I think she slept for like maybe 15 minutes, but we got to Wawa, which, if you've heard me talk about it, it's a gas station in Pennsylvania, and just has like really good food. I know that sounds strange, but if you're from Pennsylvania, you know, I think they're up and down the coast too. I'm not positive, but there's Sheetz and Wawa, and you're either team this or team that, but I like food from both of it. So we did that, stopped. Amelia, you know, stopped crying for like 15 minutes and then went back to it. But after that, it was just kind of smooth sailing. My mom has everything for us here. It's just amazing. She thinks of the things that I don't think of. She basically has clothes for us because I don't think I'm going to be able to bring my suitcase back. It's over 50 pounds, but it's not the weight. It's I can't carry the baby, the 2 kids, the the travel suitcase and then the travel car seat at the same time. So I don't think we're going to bring anything back, which is fine because we plan to be here within the year. So it will be here. And I'm just going to leave clothes here. I don't need to ship it back. I don't really need anything except for the kids and my laptop, and I'll probably bring my makeup bag back. But other than that, it's just been such an amazing time. My mom has an incredible property, so it's really easy to just get up and go on a hike in the backyard like you saw and pick apples and just be out here where no one's bothering us. It's just really, really great to be back home. So I've seen a few properties, and I was trying to just get my grasp on the school system here. It's very different here in Pennsylvania, and if you're from rural Northeast Pennsylvania, you probably know. But you can go to high school for different pathways. I think that's what the program's called. And, you know, you could do medical, agricultural, probably something technology wise. And then they have trade schools here like Votex, which I feel like every state has. So they could specialize in, you know, plumbing, for instance, or something like that. So I've been trying to just grasp that, get my understanding of how that will work. I know that's very distant in the future, but it does really, I guess, navigate where we're going to, well, it decides where we're going to live here. So that's another thing that I've been looking into, if land and a building would be the best bet. There were some builders at my local fair that looked within a price range that we could afford. So that's a route, but building materials are ridiculous. So I was looking into cabins. So they're pretty much already built. But other than that, that's, you know, all I've been doing. I know that sounds like incredibly busy, but when we're home, we just try and be with family, and my whole family, we love food. We love to eat. So we've been trying to go to all of our favorite places. But today we are going to go to a place called Montour Preserve. So it's just like this outdoor area. And then we're going to get some ice cream from the Mennonite shop that we really love. And, Wilder wants to see a horse and buggy, so we're going to attempt to see that. We see one all the time, so we'll probably see some of that. And I think that's it. I wanted to stop at my friend's market. She makes kombucha. Shout out to you, Katie, if you're watching. But yeah, she makes kombucha. And then I have another friend who has a gluten-free bakery, and I was hoping to get in touch with her. I wanted to try some goodies. So yeah, I don't know. It's just been such a whirlwind, and I'm just so fortunate and grateful to be home, because I mean, I'm trying not to get emotional because I don't want to think about going back, but you know, my husband is back there, and the chickens and ducks, and my home, our first home that we ever bought. But you know, I'm looking forward from here. I'm trying to live in the moment, but I'm also trying to be in the future, and it's a very hard struggle to be in. So yes, I'm in my childhood bedroom, and we're just hanging out right now, waiting for my mom. She volunteers quite a bit, so she's in town volunteering, and then we're gonna go head out. So that was 7 minutes of me talking. I hope you didn't get annoyed, but I wanted to update you there. And yeah, let's go through our day. I want to show you Montour Preserve. It's beautiful. If you're in the area, I'll show you where it is, or you could just look it up. But yes, let's go. Let's get on with our day. All right, I'm feeding Millie, but we are taking full advantage of this TV here. The kids found a show that they might like. I think they're, what's it called, buddy? Yellow Guys. They're, what are they called? I think they're Minions. I remember the kids really loved it when I taught, but it's just such a beautiful setting to be in while we wait. My stepdad did all of this by himself. Crazy. It goes all the way back. I don't want to make anyone dizzy, but it's just amazing. 3 levels of scaffolding to do that. But the kids are enjoying their time here at Mimi's, and we're going to go on our hike, and we might even make some applesauce from the apple trees. Very excited about that. And I don't know if I said it already, but one of those apple trees is a Macintosh, and if you know that I love Macintosh. But this is what I wanted to show you. I've been waiting to get it on camera. A lot of you have seen them because they're in your state, but it's a spotted lanternfly. They're like crazy beautiful, but not, not good. And fun fact, my husband, where he's from, is actually like the release site of the spotted lantern fly down near Allentown area. But let me see if I can zoom in because they're wild. They eat all the trees. I know, buddy. I see it. Hold on one sec. Okay, there it is.
Is it inside or outside?
No, it's outside. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like yellow underneath it. Some of you are probably like, I know what they look like. They're everywhere. But it's our first time seeing them. And there's so many of them. And, you know, everyone says to kill them because they eat the trees. I believe they're the ones that eat the ash trees. I don't know. Fill me in if I'm wrong, but
And I see stink.
they're wild. Yeah, and then stink bugs are that's just a thing. So they're up there as well. But those are wild to me. Very beautiful bug, but very destructive. Right, Deli?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm zoomed in, so you can zoom into Deli's curls.
There we go. Does Mom want a picture?
Yes.
Okay, get a picture.
Pennsylvania fall. This is a parking lot, obviously.
Wait till you see what's in here.
Oh, we have found a reindeer.
Look at Millie's red hair. Look at that red hair. You beaut.
Mom, is that church?
Hmm?
Is that church?
Kind of looks like one. It's a beautiful home. Yeah.
Mama, do we go in there? Is that people's house?
Yeah, Mama. Do we go in there? My Mama?
I'm walking up here. Ooh. I wish I can do that. It's really so.
Come on, Curly Sue. Wow. Really are going a turtle pace.
Is he dead or not?
Well, he's passed on. But
What do you think?
what do you think of all this?
Pretty cool.
Hey, is that butterfly?
Look above us.
Mama, is that butterfly and
Awesome.
passed on?
Look.
Why are they?
Species of their habitat to help them survive.
Hey, Mama,
The snowshoe hare,
why did
snowshoe rabbit,
why does that fish have the otter fish in his mouth?
He's eating. Look, there's a catfish back there.
its coat color varies.
And a trout. And is there teeth on that fish's
To some degree,
mouth?
No, is that catfish there?
Nope, behind him, the gray one. Look, here's. Wow.
Hey, Mama, what do these days say?
No hunting, no bicycles, no motor vehicles, no horses, no doggies.
Why?
Because.
Is this a stroller? Can we bring strollers?
I don't think so.
I can't breathe. I don't know what's in there.
I'm excited. Who's that? Who's that? Gorgeous. Maybe too many people were coming up. Nah.
That's a big
Mm-hmm. Oh. Gonna get a walnut right on your noggin. Look up here.
What?
He's either a birdhouse or a bat house. Ouch!
What?
Millie.
Oh, this is where they make maple syrup in the sugar pot.
Oh, someone leaf blowing like Mimi. Whoopie pie. Yep.
They're right here.
Okay, I'm so excited.
Nothing.
Yeah.
That's a far one, Mom.
See a bear?
Don't push anything. No buttons.